Are you ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence? Whether you're a beginner or transitioning into AI, Tech Simplified's AI 900 certification training is the perfect place to start. My name is Sly Gittens, the CEO of Tech Simplified and your technical coach. Our training is tailored specifically for beginners and career changers, and no prior experience is required. You'll learn the core concepts of AI, machine learning, generative AI, natural language processing, and more. You'll find quizzes at the end of each section to reinforce your learning and build your confidence. By the time you finish the training, you'll be fully prepared to take the Microsoft AI 900 certification exam. Best part, also accompanying it with a nice study guide that will give you additional training and practice tests that you can dive even deeper in. Upon completing this course, you'll receive a Tech Simplified AI 900 certificate, proving your skills and readiness for the official Microsoft exam. This certificate will help you stand out to potential employers as you pursue an exciting career and opportunities in AI, machine learning, and data analysis. With your new certification, you'll be well on your way to like machine learning engineer, AI developer, and data analyst positions that are high in demand in today's job market. Join the Tech Simplifies AI certification training today. Take your first step towards a future in artificial intelligence. Sign up now at sgtechsimp.com and let us help you simplify your journey to AI success. Tech Simplified is your partner in mastering AI. And like I always say, always be learning.